मतलब निष्कासित करना। The body excretes waste. Deplore, DEPLORE, मतलब घोर असहमति जताना। We deplore this decision. Virulent, VIRULENT, मतलब अत्यधिक हानिकारक। The disease is virulent. Defunct, DEFUNCT, मतलब अप्रचलित। The company is now defunct. Controvert, CONTROVERT, मतलब विरोध करना। He tried to controvert the claim. Subvert, SUBVERT, मतलब कमजोर करना। They tried to subvert authority. Huddle, HUDDLE, मतलब इकट्ठा होना। The players huddled before the match. Hurdle, HURDLE, मतलब बाधा। Poverty is a major hurdle to education. Prophylactic, PROPHYLACTIC, मतलब रोग प्रतिरोधक। Vaccines act as prophylactic measures. Beguile, BEGUILE, मतलब बहकाना। He tried to beguile her with sweet words. Besiege, BESIEGE, मतलब घेरना। The army besieged the fort. Debacle, DEBACLE, मतलब पतन। The project ended in a debacle. Debauch, DEBAUCH, मतलब भ्रष्ट करना। Bad company can debauch youth. Discomfiture, DISCOMFITURE, मतलब असहजता। His sudden question caused discomfiture. Degeneration, DEGENERATION, मतलब पतन की प्रक्रिया। Moral degeneration weakens society. Trite, TRITE, मतलब साधारण। His ideas sounded trite. Contrite, CONTRITE, मतलब पश्चातापी। He felt contrite after his mistake. Derision, DERISION, मतलब उपहास। His speech met with derision. Cantankerous, CANTANKEROUS, मतलब चिड़चिड़ा। He is cantankerous by nature. Fissiparous, FISSIPAROUS, मतलब विभाजन होने वाला। Amoeba is fissiparous. Luxuriant, LUXURIANT, मतलब समृद्ध। The garden has luxuriant growth. Luxurious, LUXURIOUS, मतलब अत्यधिक आरामदायक। They stayed in a luxurious hotel. Impost, IMPOST, मतलब कर। The government imposed a new impost. Postage, POSTAGE, मतलब डाक शुल्क। Please pay the postage. Recipient, RECIPIENT, मतलब प्राप्तकर्ता। She is the recipient of the award. Forgo, FOREGO, मतलब त्याग करना। He chose to forego pleasure. 8. मतलब बिना कुछ लिए जाना। He had to forego his salary. Forage, FORAGE, मतलब खोज करना। Animals forage for food. Disown, DISOWN, मतलब अस्वीकार करना। He disowned his bad deeds. Disavow, DISAVOW, मतलब जिम्मेदारी से इनकार करना। He disavowed any involvement. Rout, ROUT, मतलब पराजय। The team suffered a rout. Frontier, FRONTIER, मतलब सीमा। They guarded the frontier. Landmark, LANDMARK, मतलब संकेतक। This event became a landmark. Knave, KNAVE, मतलब दुष्ट व्यक्ति। He behaved like a knave. Knack, KNACK, मतलब कौशल। She has a knack for music. Naive, NAIVE, मतलब भोला। He is naive about politics. Felicity, Felicity, मतलब खुशी. The news filled her with felicity. Irreproachable, Irreproachable, मतलब दोषमुक्त. His conduct is irreproachable. Incapacitate, Incapacitate, मतलब अक्षम करना. The injury may incapacitate him. Exotic, Exotic, मतलब विदेशी. They bought exotic fruits. Decamp, Decamp, मतलब भाग जाना. The thieves decamped quickly. Encamp, Encamp, मतलब डेरा डालना. The soldiers encamped near the river. Salient, Salient, मतलब प्रमुख. He highlighted the salient points. Abysmal, Abysmal, मतलब अत्यंत खराब. The service was abysmal. Flair, Flair, मतलब विशेष कौशल. She has a flair for writing. Illegible, Illegible, मतलब अपठनीय. His handwriting is illegible. Antipathy, Antipathy, मतलब घृणा. He felt deep antipathy toward injustice. Rescind, Rescind, मतलब रद्द करना. The order was rescinded immediately. Indignation, Indignaton, मतलब क्रोध. He expressed indignation at the insult. Indigent, Indigent, मतलब गरीब ज़रूरतमंद. Aid was given to indigent families. Eternal, Eternal, मतलब शाश्वत. True love is eternal. Flabbergasted, Flabbergasted, मतलब चकित. She was flabbergasted by the news. Adamant, Adamant, मतलब अडिग. He remained adamant in his decision. Detrimental, Detrimental, मतलब हानिकारक. Smoking is detrimental to health. Deplorable, Deplorable, मतलब दुखद. The condition of roads is deplorable. Heralded, Heralded, मतलब उद्घोषित. The victory was heralded across the city. Proclaimed, Proclaimed, मतलब सार्वजनिक रूप से घोषित. Independence was proclaimed proudly. Veracity, Veracity, मतलब सत्य. He is known for his veracity. Accoutrements, Accoutrements, मतलब उपकरण. Soldiers check their accoutrements. Obnoxious, Obnoxious, मतलब घिनौना. The smell was obnoxious. Covenant, Covenant, मतलब समझौता. They signed a covenant. Deference, Deference, मतलब आदर. He showed deference to elders. Grandeur, Grandeur, मतलब भव्यता. The palace reflected grandeur. Inception, Inception, मतलब आरंभ. The project began at its inception. Proliferate, Proliferate, मतलब प्रजनन करना. Bacteria proliferate rapidly. Profligate, Profligate, मतलब अत्यधिक खर्चीला. He led a profligate life.
Ravage, Ravage, मतलब विध्वंस करना. The flood ravaged the village. Savage, Savage, मतलब क्रूर. The attack was savage. Irrational, Irrational, मतलब असगत. His fear was irrational. Garner, GARNER, मतलब इकट्ठा करना. She worked hard to garner support. Infructuous, INFRUCTUOUS, मतलब निष्फल. All efforts proved infructuous. Redundant, REDUNDANT, मतलब अतिरिक्त. Remove redundant words. Fidelity, FIDELITY, मतलब निष्ठा. He showed fidelity to his duty. Allegiance, ALLEGIANCE, मतलब वफादारी. Soldiers swear allegiance to the nation. Gruff, GRUFF, कठोर. His voice sounded gruff. Fatal, FATAL, मतलब घातक. The accident was fatal. Elude, ELUDE, मतलब बचना. He managed to elude capture. Premonition, PREMONITION, मतलब पूर्वाभास. She had a premonition of danger. Remonstration, REMONTRATION, विरोध. There was public remonstration. Demonstration, DEMONTRATION, मतलब प्रदर्शन. Students held a demonstration. Derogatory, DEROGATORY, अपमानजनक. He made derogatory remarks. Nomadic, NOMADIC, Kumantu. Nomadic tribes move frequently. RESTIVE. The crowd became restive. ERRONEOUSLY, मतलब गलत तरीके से. The data was recorded erroneously. Erroneous, ERRONEOUS, मतलब गलत. The report was erroneous. ESTRANGED, मतलब परायापन. He felt estranged from his family. Deranged, DERANGED, मतलब पागल. The man looked deranged. Capitulate, CAPITULATE, मतलब आत्मसमर्पण करना. The army had to capitulate. Recapitulate, RECAPITULATE, मतलब संक्षेप में दोहराना. He recapitulated the main points. Decapitate, DECAPITATE, मतलब सिर काटना. The enemy threatened to decapitate prisoners. Propitiate, PROPITIATE, मतलब शांत करना. He tried to propitiate his boss. Conform, CONFORM, मतलब पालन करना. We must conform to rules. Ceremonial, CEREMONIAL, मतलब औपचारिक. It was a ceremonial event. Pompous, POMPOUS, मतलब घमंडी. His speech was pompous. Obsessive, OBSESSIVE, मतलब अत्यधिक ध्यान. He has obsessive habits. Dilate, DILATE, चौड़ा करना. The pupils dilate in darkness. Gnome, GNOME, मतलब बौना. The fairy tale had a gnome. Ablution, ABLUTION, स्नान. Morning ablution is refreshing. Absolution, ABSOLUTION, मतलब क्षमा. He sought absolution for his sins. Absolve, ABSOLVE, मतलब मुक्त करना. The court absolved him. Flutter, FLUTTER, हिलना. Leaves flutter in the wind. Torpid, TORPID, मतलब सुस्त. He felt torpid in heat. Ostentation, OSTEN, TATION, मतलब दिखावा. He dislikes ostentation. Convict, CONVICT, मतलब अपराधी. The convict was punished. Itinerant, ITINERANT, मतलब घूमक्कड़. An itinerant worker travels often. Witty, WITTY, मतलब चतुर. Her reply was witty. WHIMSICAL, मतलब चंचल. She has a whimsical personality. Dexterity, DEXTERITY मतलब कुशलता. He showed great dexterity. Gauchness GAUCHENESS मतलब अड़ियलपन. His gauchness embarrassed others. Ineptitude INEPTITUDE मतलब अक्षमता. His ineptitude caused failure. Inept INEPT मतलब अयोग्य. He is inept for this role. Inapt INAPT मतलब अनुपयुक्त. That remark was inapt. Adept ADEPT मतलब निपुण. She is adept at painting. Obstinate OBSTINATE मतलब जिद्दी. He is obstinate by nature. Watchful WATCHFUL मतलब सतर्क. The guard remained watchful. Accede ACCEDE सहमति देना. He acceded to the request. Superannuated SUPERANNUATED सेवानिवृत्त. The officer is superannuated. Accession ACCESSION मतलब पद प्राप्ति. His accession to power was welcomed. Asperity ASPERITY मतलब कठोरता. There was asperity in his tone. Decrepitude DECREPITUDE मतलब दुर्बलता. Old age brings decrepitude. Instigated INSTIGATED मतलब प्रेरित करना. He instigated the protest. Sprint SPRINT तेज दौड़ना. He sprinted to the finish line. BECKONED मतलब संकेत करना. She beckoned him closer. RECKONED मतलब गणना करना. He reckoned the total quickly. Acquitted ACQUITTED मतलब निर्दोष ठहराया. The court acquitted him. Sombre SOMBRE मतलब उदास. His mood was somber. Regress REGRESS मतलब पीछे लौटना. He regressed to old habits. Backslide BACKSLIDE मतलब पीछे हटना. He backslid after initial success. Yardstick YARDSTICK मतलब मानक. Honesty is the yardstick of character. Touchstone TOUCHSTONE मतलब मापदंड. This test is the touchstone of skill. Petty PETTY मतलब तुच्छ. Avoid petty arguments. Avarice AVARICE मतलब लालच. Avarice leads to misery. Voracious VORACIOUS मतलब अत्यधिक भूखा. He has a voracious appetite. Decimated DECIMATED मतलब नष्ट किया हुआ. The storm decimated the village. Scarce SCARCE मतलब दुर्लभ. Water is scarce here. Scar SCAR मतलब दाग. The injury left a scar. Opposite APPOSITE मतलब उपयुक्त. His remark was apposite. Impious IMPIOUS मतलब नास्तिक. He was punished for impious acts. Freelance FREELANCE मतलब स्वतंत्र पेशेवर. She works as a freelance writer. Self-betrayed SELFBETRAYED मतलब आत्मविश्वास में धोखा. He felt self-betrayed. Self-centered SELFCENTRED मतलब स्वार्थी. He is very self-centered. Self-employed SELFEMPLOYED मतलब स्वतंत्र रूप से काम करने वाला. She is self-employed. Self-driven SELFDRIVEN मतलब आत्म-प्रेरित. He is highly self-driven. Slither SLITHER मतलब रेंगना. The snake began to slither. Subsequent SUBSEQUENT मतलब इसके बाद का. Subsequent events proved him right. Surplus SURPLUS मतलब अतिरिक्त. We have surplus food. Pliable PLIABLE मतलब लचीला. The wire is pliable. Alacrity. ALACRITY. मतलब तत्परता. He accepted the task with alacrity. Promptness. PROMPTNESS. मतलब समयबद्धता. Promptness is valued. Illegitimate. ILLEGITIMATE. मतलब अवैध. It was an illegitimate claim. Ramble. RAMBLE. मतलब अनावश्यक बातें करना. He began to ramble. Deputize. DEPUTIZE. मतलब प्रतिनिधि नियुक्त करना. He was deputized to lead. Rekindle. REKINDLE. मतलब फिर से जागृत करना. The speech rekindled hope. Levity. LEVITY. मतलब हल्कापन. Avoid levity in serious matters. Frivolity. FRIVOLITY. मतलब हास्यास्पदता. His remarks showed frivolity. Overt. OVERT. मतलब his anger was overt. Manifesto. MANIFESTO. मतलब घोषणापत्र. The party released its manifesto. Manifest. MANIFEST. मतलब सूचीपत्र. The goods were listed in the manifest. Quiescent. QUIESCENT. मतलब निष्क्रिय. The volcano is quiescent. Quaint. QUAINT. मतलब विचित्र. The village looked quaint. Piety. PIETY. मतलब धार्मिकता. He is known for piety. Devout. DEVOUT. मतलब श्रद्धालु. She is a devout believer. Treacherous. TREACHEROUS. मतलब विश्वासघाती. It was a treacherous path. Apparition. APPARITION. मतलब प्रेतात्मा. He saw an apparition. Penurious. PENURIOUS. मतलब दरिद्र. He lived a penurious life. Impecunious. IMPECUNIOUS. मतलब निर्धन. The student was impecunious. Insipid. Exorbitant. EXORBITANT. मतलब अत्यधिक. The hotel charges were exorbitant. Lukewarm. LUKEWARM. मतलब नीरस. The audience response was lukewarm. Diffident. DIFFIDENT. मतलब संकोची. She felt diffident in public speaking. Abjure. ABJURE. मतलब त्याग करना. He abjured all bad habits. Adjure. ADJURE. मतलब प्रार्थना करना. I adjure you to speak the truth. Scorn. SCORN. मतलब तिरस्कार करना. He scorned their foolish ideas. Obstreperous. OBSTREPEROUS. मतलब उद्दंड. The obstreperous crowd created chaos. Obsequious. OBSEQUIOUS. मतलब दीनहीन. His obsequious behavior was irritating. Ubiquitous. UBIQUITOUS. मतलब सर्वव्यापी. Smartphones are ubiquitous today. Extricate. EXTRICATE. मतलब मुक्त करना. He extricated himself from trouble. Flung. FLUNG. मतलब फेंका हुआ. She flung the ball away. Plump. PLUMP. मतलब गोल मटोल. The baby looks plump. Fury. FURY. मतलब क्रोध. He shouted in fury. Thrifty. THRIFTY. मितव्ययी. She is thrifty with money. Admonition. ADMONITION. चेतावनी. He ignored the teacher's admonition. Evade. EVADE. मतलब बचना. He tried to evade the question. Impetuous. IMPETUOUS. मतलब his impetuous decision caused loss. Pretend. PRETEND. मतलब दिखावा करना. He pretended to be sick. Impetus. IMPETUS. मतलब प्रेरणा. Her success gave me impetus. Allude. ALLUDE. मतलब परोक्ष रूप से संकेत करना. He alluded to the problem. Day 17. Evade. E-V-A-D-E. मतलब बचना. He tried to evade the police. Elope. E-L-O-P-E. मतलब भाग जाना. They decided to elope and get married. Elude. E-L-U-D-E. मतलब बच निकलना. The thief managed to elude capture. Frail. F-R-A-I-L. मतलब कमजोर. The frail old man walked slowly. Discriminate. D-I-S-C-R-I-M-I-N-A-T-E. मतलब भेद करना. She can discriminate between right and wrong. Liability. L-I-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. मतलब दायित्व. He accepted full liability for the loss. Debt. D-E-B-T. मतलब कर्ज. He is in heavy debt. Asset. A-S-S-E-T. मतलब संपत्ति. Hard work is his greatest asset. Dearth. D-E-E-A-R-T-H. मतलब कमी. There is a dearth of water in summer. Callous. C-A-L-L-O-U-S. मतलब कठोर. He gave a callous response. Circuitous. C-I-R-C-U-I-T-O-U-S. मतलब घुमावदार. They took a circuitous route. Dazzle. D-A-Z-Z-L-E. मतलब चकाचौंध करना. The bright lights dazzle the eyes. Boisterous. B-O-I-S-T-E-R-O-U-S. मतलब शोरगुल. The children were boisterous. Mellow. M-E-L-L-O-W. मतलब सौम्य. Age has made him mellow. Genial. G-E-N-I-A-L. मतलब मिलनसार. He is a genial host. Sordid. S-O-R-D-I-D. मतलब गंदा. He described the sordid details. Sardonic. S-A-R-D-O-N-I-C. मतलब व्यंग्यपूर्ण. He gave a sardonic smile. Sore. S-O-R-E. मतलब घाव. He has a sore on his leg. Soar. S-O-A-R. मतलब उड़ना. The bird began to soar high.
एक बार देखो, बार बार सुनो. याद रखने का सीधा मंत्र, रिवीजन है सबसे बड़ा तंत्र. डेली अपडेट्स के लिए अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और लर्निंगपुर परिवार से जुड़ें. सीखना अब आसान और मज़ेदार.